everyone, and welcome. If you use Excel, you definitely know the feeling. You build this amazing, perfect formula, you're all set for that sweet, sweet result, and instead, you get an error message that just stops you dead in your tracks. Well, today, we're going to tackle one of the most common and, frankly, one of the most confusing of them all, the hashtag spill error. Let's get into it. Yes, there it is, the infamous hashtag spill error. You know, just seeing it can be a little intimidating, right? It just pops up out of nowhere, and it kind of feels like Excel is just saying, nope, not today. I am willing to bet it does. If you're using any of the newer, more powerful formulas in Excel, you've almost certainly slammed right into this thing. But here's the little secret. What if I told you it's not really an error in the way you think it is? Okay, let's set the stage. This isn't some random bug or a mistake in your spreadsheet. It's actually a very specific message that Excel is trying to send you about its new, really powerful abilities. So picture this. You've just written this beautiful formula, maybe a filter or a unique, something cool like that. You press enter, expecting this nice list of results to pop out, and bam, hashtag spill. The most frustrating part? Your formula is probably 100% correct. So what is actually going on here? To fix this thing, we first have to understand the idea behind it. And actually, the name of the error gives us the answer. It's all about something called spilling. Let's break down what that really means. And this, right here, is the heart of modern Excel. We're moving way beyond formulas that just give you one answer in one cell. These dynamic array formulas are a total game changer. You write one single formula, and it can automatically produce a whole list, an array, of results for you. So that leads to the next logical step. If your formula is going to give you, say, 10 results, it needs 10 empty cells to put them in, right? That area it needs is called the spill range. Think of it like a water fountain. The water needs an empty basin to, well, spill into. And that is the whole key right there. The hashtag spill error is just Excel literally screaming at you, hey, I've got all these answers for you, but I have nowhere to put them. Something is in my way. It's not a failure, it's just a roadblock. All right, so if the problem is just a roadblock, how do we get rid of it? The great news is, once you understand what the problem is, the fix is unbelievably simple. It's all about just clearing the path. And honestly, it's almost always one of these two culprits. Either you've got some other data, a number, a word, anything, just sitting in one of the cells where your results want to go, or, and this is a big one, you have merged cells in the way. Merge cells are the enemy of dynamic arrays because they just wreck the grid. The solution? Just as simple. Get that data out of there or unmerge those cells. And here is your action plan. It's 3 simple steps. First, just click on the cell that has the error. Excel will actually help you out by showing you a dotted blue line that outlines the entire spill range it needs. So you just look inside that box, see anything, any data, a merged cell, whatever is blocking the path, just delete it or unmerge it. The second you do, boom, your results will instantly spill into place. It really is that easy. So let's totally flip how we think about this. That hashtag spill message, it's not a frustrating error anymore. It's a signpost. It's Excel telling you that you've just unlocked a powerful multi-result formula. It's an opportunity, not a problem. So to wrap it all up, what are the big things to remember? 1, hashtag spill is a feature, not a bug. It's a message. 2, it means your formula is a dynamic one, and it wants to give you a whole bunch of answers. 3, that spill range, the path for your answers, has to be totally, completely clear. And 4, the fix is always, always about just finding what's in the way and clearing it out. And that really brings us to the most important question of all. Now that the hashtag spill error isn't some scary mystery anymore, now that you know it's a sign you're using a powerful tool, just think about it. How can you start using formulas that create entire lists from a single command to make your work faster, smarter, and way more dynamic? The possibilities are absolutely huge.